Okay, guys, this is the base of your carpet serger, okay? This base goes on top of the table, of course. And how's it connected? You have a metal piece here that'll be inside the drawer. Once the machine goes on top of the base, this piece right here is a big screw essentially. It's going to screw all the way up and grab the bottom of your machine. Okay, it'll make more sense as soon as you see it, but that piece is usually in the drawer. If not in the drawer, it's going to be in a kit. Your belt gets connected here, of course, all the way down until your motor pulley. And the table motor and stand is fully assembled, so nothing to worry about there. Your thread stand should be in this position, angled almost towards the operator. And that goes right in this base right here. And the thread stand's fully assembled, just connect it. And you're off and running. Threading is online as well. There is an online video for the machine as far as maintenance goes, and I'm not sure if they included one with you, but it is on YouTube, and I'll grab that for you as well. And that's really it. I can't think of anything else as far as assembly goes. Pretty simple. Here's your pedal, which lifts up your foot, as well as the handle on the back of the machine. Your foot and your feed wheel assembly. This chain gets connected here, and I showed it connecting in the back before. And it goes right up to this handle. Okay, and this is your manual lift. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps.